Hello friends, this is Bilal Heather, and today we are going to learn about another array method. And um, let's say we have a text like this, right? And for some reason we want to convert it into an array. Okay, so we want to create an array which is going to have every single item that we have in this text here. Okay, so how can we do that? So let me actually go ahead and do um, console.log text 0, right? And let me do node index.js. You'll see that it returns me 0, and if I do like this, text 1, it is giving me 1. So by default a text is basically a character array, we can say that. But what if we want to do this? It is by default what it is, so we can actually perform a loop. So let's say for c of text, right, in console.log c, and if I run my code now, you'll see that it correctly prints out all these values. So we don't need to actually convert a text into an array. It is by default an array, and a string of characters basically. But for some reason, if you wanted to explicitly do that, you can also do that. So if I do arr equals array dot from, right, and put my text in here, right, and if I now do console.log arr, right, and if I run my code, you will see that this method converts my string into an array of characters, right? But this method is really not necessary. Like we can do the same thing with just this text, and use it as an array of characters and perform our loops basically on it. But still I wanted to share this method with you, which may or may not be very useful for you, but it exists, and you should know that it exists. So this is all for this video part, and I'm sure I will come back with more videos.